Hello everyone. Hello my little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home, right? And I hope you all are studying at home. Yes? And see, you have to study, okay? And you have to see the video also. And you have to listen to your mama also. No fighting with mama, okay? You have to obey your mama. And you have to say thank you to your mama also, because she is helping you for study. Yes, she is teaching you, she is helping you for study. So you always say thank you to your mama. And you have to say good morning papa, good morning to mama every day. Okay, we have to wish your mama and papa good morning. Okay, you have to say good morning mama, good morning papa every day, every morning. Okay, and you have to be a very good student. Okay, you have to be a very good student. Okay, now see, today I am again back with a new topic. So we are going to do small worksheet. Okay, you don't have to do nothing, only just coloring, circling. Okay, you don't have to do nothing, just only color and circle. Okay, now we are going to learn EVS subject. Okay, I told you that you have to maintain separate EVS notebook. Okay, so today we are going to learn EVS subject. Which subject? EVS. Which subject? EVS. Which subject? EVS. Okay, now see here. Here, question number 1. Color the picture which we use in rainy season. Color the picture which we use in rainy season. What you use in rainy season? What you use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. What do we use in rainy season? What we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. See, listen carefully. Mama can ask you the question. Hello beta, what do we use in rainy season? Which dress we use in rainy season? Which thing we use in rainy season? What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat. Your mama can ask you any question. What do we use in rainy season? What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat. Umbrella and raincoat. See here. What is this? Can you identify this picture? What is this? What is this? This is umbrella. What is this? This is umbrella. We use umbrella in rainy season. Okay, we use umbrella in rainy season. Okay. Now what is this? This is half pant. What is this? This is half pant. Okay, this half pant you use in rainy season? No. This half pant you use in rainy season? No. What is this now? What is this? What is this? what do you have to do? You have to read the question. Color. Color means coloring. Color the picture. You have to color the picture which we use in rainy season. You have to color the picture which you use in rainy season. Which we use in, what is this? Rainy season. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat. So, what is the question? Color the picture which we use in rainy season. So, you will color the umbrella and raincoat, okay, that we are using in rainy season, okay. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. So, you have to color the picture. You have to color the picture which we use in rainy season. So what do we use in rainy season? You use half pant? No ma'am, so no color. We use umbrella in rainy season? Yes. We use raincoat in rainy season? Yes. So you will put color, okay? See, you will put color. See, you have to put. You have to put color which you use in rainy season. We use umbrella in rainy season. Baris, okay, rainy season means baris ka मौसम, okay. In rainy season, in baris, we use umbrella. Yes, we use umbrella. So you have to put color, okay. You need to put color. See, we need to put color, okay. See, the thing which we use in rainy season, umbrella and raincoat. So you will put color in umbrella. Okay, we use this umbrella in rainy season. So you will put color here. You will put color here. Umbrella we use in rainy season, baris. Okay. And see, what do we use in rainy season? We use half pant in rainy season? No. You use raincoat in rainy season? Yes. Then you put color. Okay. Then we need to put color. Then we need to put color in raincoat also. Okay. This is raincoat. What is this? This is raincoat. We need to put color in raincoat also. Okay. See, this is raincoat. We need to put color in raincoat also. Okay. You need to put color in raincoat also. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat. So color the picture which we use in rainy season. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. You have to note down this one in your notebook. Okay. You have to write in your notebook. This is nothing. You just need to put color only. Okay. No pressure for writing. Just need to put, identify the picture. See, which picture is this? This is raincoat. And which picture is this? This is umbrella. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat. So, color the umbrella and raincoat. Okay, this one write in your notebook. Okay, and you have to identify. Your mama can ask you any question. Mama can ask you, what do we use in rainy season? What do we use in rainy season? You have to answer umbrella, raincoat. Again, your ma'am can also ask you the question, what do we use in rainy season? What do we use in rainy season? Then you have to reply umbrella and raincoat. Okay. So this one write in your notebook. Okay. Now see. Identify sun and circle it. See. I am going to make a two picture. You have to identify which one is sun. Okay. Which one is star. Okay. Now see. What is this? What is this? This is S-U-N. Sun. What is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. And what is this? What is this? This is star. What is this? This is star. See. S-T-A-R. Star. Okay. What is this? This is sun. Very hot summer season. Sun. This is sun. And what is this? This is star. What is this? This is star. So read the question. Identify. Identify means you have to see. You have to identify difference between sun and star. Okay. Identify the sun and circle it. You have to identify sun and circle it. This one is sun or this one is sun? Which one is sun? If this is sun, yes, then you have to circle. Okay. Identify. I always say you, please focus. You have to just do a oral part. Identify, and oral is very important. Okay. Identify letter, identify different picture is very important. So whenever ma'am is teaching, please focus, see properly, and try to use all the books. Okay, try to use all the books for identify different pictures. Okay, so see, identify the sun and circle it. Now you have to identify difference between sun and star. Sun and star. Now which one is sun? This one is sun. No, this one is sun. Yes. What is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. And what is this? This is star. What is this? This is star. What is this? This is star. So identify the sun and circle it. So which one is sun? This is sun? No ma'am, this is star. This is sun? Yes. This is sun? Yes. So circle the sun. Okay. Circle the sun. You have to identify difference between sun and star. Which picture is this? This is sun. Which picture is this? This is star. What is this? This is star. You have to note down this one in your notebook. Okay. Now see, in my previous video you have learned about in, out, small, big. Yes. So today I am giving you one question, so you have to write in your notebook just for practice. Okay, just for practice. We need to revise everything every day. Okay, you have to revise all the chapter from the first video to till last. You have to revise every day. Okay, now see here. Tick the ball which is in the glass. I am going to make two pictures. See here. This is, what is this? This is glass. What is this? This is glass. And what is this? This is also glass. This is ball. This is ball. And this is also ball. Okay, this is also ball. See, now read the question properly. Tick. Tick means like this. Tick. Tick means you have to do like this. Tick. Okay. See. Tick the ball. Tick the ball which is in the glass. Now which ball is in the glass? It means under. Which ball is in the glass? This one or this one? Which ball is in the glass? This one or this one? This is also glass. This is also glass. Now which ball is in the glass? This one is inside the glass. In. And this ball is out. Bahar. Out. So you have to tick the ball which is in the glass. So which ball is in the glass? This one or this one? Which ball is under in the glass? Which one? This one or this one? This ball is in the glass. This ball is in the glass. And this ball is out. This ball is outside the glass. This ball is outside, bahar. This ball is in, under. This ball is out, outside. So you have to tick the ball which is in, under, in the glass. So where you will tick? Here or here? Here or here? Which one will you tick? This one or this one? Which one is in? Up one or down one? Which one is in? This one is in because ball is inside the glass. So you will tick here like this. Okay, you have to tick like this. Okay, you have to tick like this. Okay, and here ball is outside, so no tick. Ma'am told you to in. In means under. Jo saman under. In. Okay, see, in. In means under. O-U-T, out. Out means bahar. So we have to tick the box where the glass is in. So this ball is inside the glass. So I am ticking here. Okay, this is a worksheet for you to revise. Okay, just to identify in and out, just to be just to know the difference between in and out, opposite word of in and out. I am showing you with the example. You can also do with example by using glass and ball. Okay, by using glass and ball, and always learn with fun. Always use prop. Okay, see, if I am using glass and ball, I think you have ball and glass at home, right? So dear parents, please, whenever you are teaching your kids, always use prop, always use book, always use picture, so that it will be easy for your kids to learn very quick. Okay, if you show them pictures, if you show them with the help of the props, like suppose if I am teaching you in and out, you can use a glass and a ball, or you can use a basket or a doll to show them the example, to show them the demo, so that it will be easy for them to learn very quickly. Okay, so pick the ball which is in the glass. So where you have to pick the ball, which one is inside the glass. So here, where is the ball? In. Where is the ball? Out. Where is the ball? In. In. Andar. Where is the ball? Out. Bahar. So you will take in. Okay. Hope you have understand all my topic and my lesson. Okay. So you need to practice at home. Okay. Do this all in your notebook, EVS notebook. Okay. And try to learn every day. Okay. Now see, now again, in my previous video you have learned about different type of faces, right? In my previous video you have learned about the different type of faces, right? So I'm just going to revise that revise that face. Okay, different type of faces. Which face is this? Happy face. Which face is this? This is happy face. See dear parents, you can make this one for your kids also. Okay, so that you can use this prop. This is called prop. Whenever you are teaching your kids at home, always use props. Okay, always use prop. We are having so many props thing at home which you can utilize for studying. Okay, see, this is, you can make this prop for your kids. Okay ma'am. And what is this? Which face is this? This is happy face. Show me a happy face. This is happy face. And which face is this? This is sad face. This is sad face. Happy face. Sad face. This is sad face. This is, which face is this? Crying face. Which face is this? Crying face. Oh, mama. Oh, mama, papa. Oh, mama, papa. This is crying face. Which face is this? Crying face. And which face is this? This is gussa, angry face. Which face is this? Angry face. This is called angry face. Okay. Happy face. Which face is this? Happy face. Which face is this? Sad face. Which face is this? Sad face. Which face is this? Crying face. See, I told you, you have to, ma'am, your mama will show you the picture of different face. You have to identify the different face. Okay. This is, which face is this? Crying face. Which face is this? Crying face. Okay. Okay, now again. Your mama can ask you any question. I told you now. Show me your happy face. Show me your happy face. Smile, happy. Show me your sad face. Show me your sad face. Show me your sad face. This is called sad face. Okay. Show me your crying face. Crying face. Show me your crying face. Mama, Papa, Mama. This is called crying face. This is called crying face. Now show me your angry face. This is angry face. Show me your angry face. This is called angry face. So you have to revise these all different faces. Okay? You have to revise these all different faces. Okay? You have to revise these all different faces. Okay? You have to identify different faces. Okay? This is happy face. Which face is this? Happy face. Which face is this? Sad face. Which face is this? Crying face. Which face is this? Crying face. Which face is this? Angry face. Okay? So you need to revise your 4 different type of faces. Happy, happy, sad, crying, and angry. Okay? So bye bye student. Love you all. Please take care of yourself. Okay? And study properly. Love you.